Halfway around the world is Egypt, one of the oldest civilizations on the planet. Rising from the mists are perhaps the most famous monuments on Earth, and among the least understood. Dominating the Giza Plateau is the Great Pyramid. Who built this incredible edifice? Historical documents credit the mighty pharaoh Khufu, also known as Cheops, and his army of 100,000 workers. But von Daniken believes an important new discovery may support his own theory of the pyramid's construction. He believes the real builder was Enoch of the Ethiopian apocalyptic writings. Eric von Daniken believes that Enoch was warned by the gods that a great flood would destroy civilization. Enoch built the Great Pyramid to protect ancient texts from the rising waters. He designed secret chambers carved deep inside this mountain of stone. Were the gods who foretold the coming of a flood really extraterrestrials? Von Daniken believes the answer may still be hidden inside the pyramid. The interior of the Great Pyramid is a marvel of engineering skill. A long tunnel leads to the magnificent Grand Gallery. At the top of the gallery, von Daniken believes there are more clues that it was Enoch, not Khufu, who built the Great Pyramid.
This is the so-called King's Chamber. Simply gigantic. As you can see, there are absolutely no hieroglyphs. Empty. If Khufu was a tyrant, then the wall should be full of inscription praising himself or his gods.
Von Daniken believes the blank walls of this chamber indicate that the pyramid was not created to serve as Khufu's tomb. But there's more. Many wonder how the pyramid was built. Could an ancient culture assemble 2.5 million giant stone blocks with such perfection, less than 1/10 of a degree off true north? Von Daniken believes these mysteries could support his theory that the Great Pyramid was built by Enoch following his warning from above, teachers who descended from the heavens. If so, where are the secret chambers filled with ancient text? Only recently has modern technology allowed investigators to attempt to unravel this great mystery, which has challenged scholars and archaeologists for thousands of years.
Some ancient text says that this pyramid was constructed before the Great Flood and many secret chambers should be in here. Could this shaft maybe lead to one of these chambers?
In 1993, German engineer Rudolf Gantenbrink designed and built a robot to explore this mysterious shaft. The tiny machine was equipped with a video camera and remote steering. Its mission? Follow the shaft into the darkness in hopes of discovering ancient secrets.
I had no clear idea what I should find at the end of the shaft. I expected anything, but not especially this.
The robot had climbed over 50 meters into what was thought to be merely a symbolic shaft. But when the journey ended at a stone door with 2 corroding copper fittings, Eric von Daniken believes the legend of Enoch may be one step closer to becoming fact.
What we see in the camera from the robot is just the backside of the stone.
Gantenbrink believes the stone might have been lowered into place by means of a rope. The copper fittings would have prevented its removal. Could this door lead to the secret chambers Enoch was told to build?
There are hundreds of references contained in the oldest Egyptian texts which tell us that the gods concealed a great secret at Giza, perhaps under the Great Sphinx, or perhaps within the Great Pyramid itself. We now know that there is a hidden chamber inside the Great Pyramid, and we now know from seismic work that there is a hidden chamber under the Great Sphinx. And astonishingly, legitimate scientific work to open these chambers has been delayed for years by a combination of forces bringing and resting on the worst aspects of human character. We need to know what lies in those chambers, because the ancient Egyptian texts tell us that it will be a matter of enormous importance that could contain a startling revelation about the origins of human civilization.
Eric von Daniken suggests that, as at Teotihuacan, this could be another tantalizing clue to support his idea that extraterrestrials